Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture all my trades live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So, if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. SPY and triple Q gapping up pre-market, but currently I think it's on a downtrend. It's not giving a clear direction on where it wants to go. So I'll keep an eye on SPY and triple Q, but going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. Tesla is currently trading near yesterday's close, so I think it can sell off and break the pre-market low and give us some good opportunities. Nvidia gapping up well, holding up the trend, so probably it can give us some call opportunities. Amazon, I'm interested only if volume comes in. Apart from Amazon, Nvidia, and Tesla, I do have some other stocks that I'm watching today. The first one being AMD. The stock is gapping up huge. Yesterday it had good earnings report. If volume comes in, I may look to trade AMD. Then I'm also watching PayPal. Stock was hammered yesterday following a weak earnings report. It's currently on a clear downtrend. I'll be watching for any pops to short. I do have some levels identified. I think at open it can reverse, squeeze some shorts out. Some shorts may be covering, which probably could give us some pops. And I'll be looking to short PayPal at resistance. Right now I do have 3 levels identified, but I'll wait for market open. Now going into market open, I'll be watching Amazon, Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, and PayPal. Those are my 5 stocks for today. We do have around 1 minute to market open, so I'll pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. As usual, I'm watching Tesla, but I want Tesla to break the 912 area to get interested in a put position. Right now, I don't have enough confirmation, and it's trading near yesterday's close. So no setups as of yet. I'll keep watching PayPal. I'll be interested if the stock wants to bounce to 138. Look at Tesla. This is why I always wait for confirmation. Watching PayPal. It's not giving me an entry. I wish it gave me an entry. Now the premium is at 830. I think I was watching it from 6. I need a pop. Only then I'll be interested. PayPal making new lows. Triple Q falling. Flipping to Tesla. Tesla is approaching this level. Now I may have to get a bit aggressive. Getting in. 1361 on Tesla. It was quick. This was the area. Now I look to add around this area. 5 at 1465. Yep. Now 3. Yep. Perfect. And now just holding 1. Selling. That was a perfect trade. With 1 trade, 1 ad, making $1,800. I'll take it. Sorry about the background noise. On my first trade, I got in at 1361, got 5 out at 1465, 3 at 1617, then 1625 and 1615. I think that was a perfect trade. Just then I'm placing the order. Then I'll be looking to add around this area. 1130, getting in. Exiting. Now, perfect. That was a perfect trade. I got in 2 ads, played it well. The first 5-minute candle to make a new high. I'm glad that I did take 2 ads. So my first ad was around 12:10. My second was around 11:21. Sold at 12:15, 12:05, and 12:03. Perfect trade. 24 minutes into the trading day, making $3,500. No reasons to complain. So I've been looking around for a while. Tesla seems to have reversed right now and has slowed down. I was watching PayPal, really slow, no actions there. So I think I'll call it a day. Overall, a decent day of trading, making $3,500 in less than 30 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.